What's up everyone? My name is Steve Trent and welcome to 8067 Grayhawk Cir. What's up everyone? My name is Steve Trent and today we're at 8067 Grayhawk Cir, constructed by Hultquist Homes and listed by Koni Yoshimura, one of the legends in Alaska real estates. This unit right behind me has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and it has a total square footage of 1800 square feet. It's a beautiful home. Let's go and check it out.
Oh shake, children shake, yeah, ring your bell. Or go down willing, yeah, there's thunder up ahead. Just shake, children shake, or shake your tambourine. A dance for me now, like you sold your dream. Oh fine, heading like the dark, like the dark. Or maybe I could see it as a peaceful world. But hey, I'm afraid, I'm afraid. Yes, shake, baby, shake, oh my little roving Jew. Oh, Riley, come round, yeah, my little sunshine girl. Yes, shake, baby, shake, yeah, that black country down. I beg your mercy, sister, for the fool that wears the crown. Oh, fine, and we, like the dark, like the dark. Or maybe I could see it as a peaceful world. But hey, I'm afraid.
That's it guys, this is the end of our tour. Oh, it's snowing outside. Let's take a look outside. Snowing outside. Alright, so this is 8067 Grayhawk Cir, one of the nicest, newest built property by Hultquist Homes. You know, they built one of the top-notch quality home in Anchorage, Alaska, and it's new, and the price is negotiable. So give me a call at 907-280-8645 because I want to know more. I want to work with you. Okay. All right. Last thing, like and subscribe this channel because I want to create more content. I want to support you guys. I want to show you guys what I do. So like and subscribe this channel so to see more video. And last but not least, I want you guys to comment down below what's the next property you want to see. That's it for me. See you next time.
Message coming from my eyes.